guys, welcome to Intellect Skills. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert images on a web page. So let's begin. To insert images on our HTML web page, we use the img tag. Img is an empty element that only contains HTML attributes. So as you can see in the example below, the image has two attributes. The first is the source and the second is the alternate text. So let's look at an example. So let's quickly check this on a text editor. Okay, so I have my basic HTML code ready and saved as index.html. I have a sample image named as source.jpg. So let's insert this image on a web page. So let's type image src is equals to. So as a sample image is in the same folder where our HTML file is saved, we can directly call the image. So we type source.jpg. Let's assume that we have the sample image in a folder. Let's say the folder's name is images. So now we type the folder name prior calling the image. So we would need to type images/source.jpg. So now let's type the alt attribute. And put the value as sample image. This will be displayed when the image fails to load. So now let's check the output on our browser. So here is your image. Now let's assume that this image fails to load due to some reasons. When this happens, the alternate text will take its place. So now let's change the path of the image on a text editor and see the output. So now you can see the alternate text in place of the image. We can also change the height and width of the image by using CSS that we will learn in the upcoming videos. Okay, now let's recap on what we have learned in this video. We use two attributes within our image tag, that is the source and the alternate attribute. The source attribute tells the browser the destination of the image. So we insert the path or URL of the image as the value of the source attribute. The alt attribute is used to set an alternative text for the image whenever the image fails to load. This helps the browser and the user understand the concept and the purpose of the image. So it's important to add a meaningful alt attribute to all of your images. So that's it for this video. If you do have any questions, please do comment below and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about embedding videos on a web page. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive a notification on all my latest videos. So stay tuned and keep learning.